my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Jordan video. Yo. So guess what time it is? Guess what time it is? It's spoopy season. So what I'm filming this is the first day of October. That means it's spoopy season, so that means we gotta switch up this room a little bit. Yeah, it was fall, it's so cute, but now we gotta make it spoopy and so scary. So I'm going to show you guys what I got to decorate my room, and then we're gonna get to decorating. All of these things are from like different places. But the first thing, look how cute this is. It's skeleton lights. Look how cute. These really remind me of on the movie, Nightmare Before Christmas, where they had the skeletons hanging from the tree. Look, it looks like those skeletons and they're so cute. Then I got this like a book from Dollar Tree. It says a poisons on it and it looks super cool. I can like put this and fake it as a real book because I really like it. Then we also bought another book. It's a little tinier version than it. And it says Halloween tricks and a treat. So scary. And then we have this smaller book. They all came separately. I really like this one, and this one is Spells, Potions, and Creepy Concoctions. I really like it a lot, and I really like how they all fit inside of each other. So it's like those dolls that keep going and going and going. We got these pencils from TJ Maxx. These are super cool because they look like real trees and they have like these really detailed heads on them. And I thought these would be perfect in my pen collection. Then I got this from a Walmart. It's super cool little candle, and you can't see it right now because it's so light, but it actually lights up when you press the button, so that's gonna look super cool at night. I also got this from Walmart too, and look how crazy cool this is. Like, it's so realistic to me. Hopefully it does scare me at night, but I think it looks really cool, and I think it'd be perfect right there. Then I got these spider webs. I forgot where they're from, but they're just spider webs. You can get them like anywhere. Got this creepy cat from Ross, and I know I'm not a cat person, but look how cool this thing looks. And then the best part of it all, it's so cool. Okay, you can calm down. I also got this spoopy pumpkin guy from a Target, and this like is just like a little hanger, or you can make it sit or something, but it looks like a ghost pumpkin. It's really cool looking. Got this pillow that says, oh wait, hey boo, hey boo. I got another pillow, but this one is from Marshalls. I really like the look of it because it reminds me of like those potato sacks things. Then from Walmart, I got this Halloween sign that just says Happy Halloween. And I got these two other signs. I really like these because they're like clear, and I think they're really cool looking. We have a spider and a skull. Walmart, we have this sign. And it looks like a most wanted sign, but it says a boo, and it has an owl on a pumpkin. These are from Walmart again, and they're like wall art. You can stick them on your wall, and I think these would be cool on the wall or on a mirror or somewhere, like, and they're spiders, so they look really creepy and crawly. I got these kind of like spider webs, but kind of cooler than spider webs. It's spooky fabric, and it looks like a worn up like cloth. It looks so cool. One of my favorite items, I got this from Target, is this cool looking tree. It's like all black and all sparkly, and then it's in like a little pot that's black too. I just think it looks so cool. I also got these three I can't say have I lost my speech? Fabric. Okay. These three like pillow fabric pumpkins. Two are flip sequin and one is just a regular. And last but certainly not least, we have this big big sign that says Hocus Pocus. So I'm just going to decorate with all the stuff and just see how it all comes together after. I think I'm going to take out my signs that's always been in the background for now to put up my new Halloween signs. Walls first, and these are pretty easy to hang up because all of these have hooks except the Hocus Pocus sign, so we're going to have to use these to attach it. Empty space, so I'm gonna fill that up with the spiders. Done with the wall, and I think it looks super good. I think it looks really scary, really cool looking, and I think that was like one of the hardest things to get done. So now it's time for the skelly lights. Look how they fall. Look at this one, so elegant. And he's like, oh. Done in a finish, and it looks super good, but I got a surprise looking for you, so I'm gonna turn the lights off and let you guys see. Oh, how it look, how it look. We can even make a potion. Wait, no, wrong thing. Potion time, spoopy time. Orange looks okay. I really like the green, the red, and then the purple. I think those look really good. Turned out really well. I really like how it looks really kind of cute with the lights and then scary too. I think it looks really cool. I didn't use everything, but I'm gonna use like some things, like maybe some other parts of my room. But I hope you guys did enjoy this, and maybe this gave you some inspiration on how you are gonna decorate your house or your room for Halloween. Don't forget that I'm going to be sharing some pics on Instagram, more pics of this, and go follow me there for behind the scenes and fun things. The link for my Instagram will be in my description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff.